Keeping a small residential pool in shape is totally doable by a homeowner, but it takes some serious commitment and know-how to avoid turning it into a green swamp. Alright, so first off, you gotta set a schedule and stick to it. Pool maintenance isn't something you can skip for a week or two, especially in summer when algae loves to party. Test your water at least twice a week using a reliable test kit like the Taylor DPD service kit. Knowing your pH, chlorine, and alkalinity levels is key to keeping things balanced. Use a good pole, net, vacuum, hose, and brush to physically clean the pool regularly. This keeps debris from turning into algae or clogging your filter. Speaking of filters, make sure you know how to maintain them properly. Watch videos or read up so you can keep them running smooth without professional help. Buy your chemicals in bulk if you can. It's cheaper long-term and helps you stay stocked without last-minute trips. Don't mix different chemicals in the pool at once. Add them separately and wait between applications to avoid messing up the water chemistry. Avoid harsh algicides unless absolutely necessary because they can damage your pool's plaster and equipment over time. Lastly, keep an eye on your pool equipment and fix small issues fast before they turn into expensive repairs. One of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when maintaining their pool is skipping regular water testing and chemical balancing, which leads to cloudy water, algae growth, or even equipment damage. Fix this by getting into the habit of testing water at least twice weekly with a trusted test kit and adjusting chemicals accordingly. Another common issue is neglecting filter maintenance, causing poor circulation and dirty water. The fix is to clean or backwash your filter regularly as per the manufacturer's instructions. Lastly, many people don't clean their pools often enough or miss debris at the bottom, which invites algae and bacteria. Using a proper vacuum and brushing the walls weekly keeps things sparkling clean. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with trusted local contractors who know their stuff, making it way easier to find reliable help when your pool needs more than just basic upkeep. Plus, it helps contractors get steady work by linking them with people ready to hire, so it's a win-win for both sides.